Hello, in this video we're going to look at how to create a message board. A message board can be used for a variety of topics, whether you are assigning students to communicate with each other or communicate with groups, or maybe read an article or look at a website and then have a discussion on that article or website. It's a great way for communication and collaboration between both students and professor. Here we are on the dashboard of CampusCruiser, and whichever class you would like to work with, you're going to go down and select that class. And inside of that class are your class tools. Your class tools are all very useful, but in this case, we're going to look at the message board. So select message board. And the default for all message boards is to have the general discussion up front. You can see that when we do the addition sign up here to add a forum, that's going to be what's displayed right here. So in this case, let's say we are going to discuss an article of some sort. We're going to hit that addition sign, so we're adding a forum. And let's call this article discussion. And please post reflections of articles here. Something like that. If you were discussing a different topic, that would be your topic up top, and then a description of that topic would be there. And then you just click save, and that'll be on that forum page right up front. In this case, we want to add something to that forum. Let's say we are responding to a post, or we want to put up our reflection. We would click on the article discussion. And in this case, we would add topic. And this might be where you would want to put what you're actually assigning the students to respond to, maybe post the article and what you are looking for in the description. You can see that you have a variety of tools here. You can put links inside of the article, or I'm sorry, inside of the page. You could put pictures, you can put videos. So all of those things can be put inside. And of course, if it's saved on your computer, you can always do add attachment and put the file inside of here as well. So a lot of variety. So let's say that we had a Word document we wanted students to read. So let's say this is our article for reflection, and I'm going to put 1. And let's say that the students are completing this on a certain date. You could put the date, but use some sort of characteristic, because if you're going to do more than one, you don't have to come up with the same name over and over again. So I'll just do article for reflection 1. And let's say that article is saved on my computer. I can browse my computer and find that. Just select in this case, I'm just going to select a random Word document that I have in here that maybe I want the students to look at. So we'll open that, it'll upload. It'll be inside of there, so when the students click, they can look at that. Please review the article and respond to the following questions. Okay, and then say I put a couple questions there for the students to respond to, and that way that we have topics for discussion. Okay, so we'll submit that there. And now you'll notice inside of our article discussion, we have an article for reflection. And this is what I put up just now. Now, if the students are responding, you would want them to click on the article for reflection 1 and then add the post here. Instead of, let's say, being on the prior page where they would be adding a whole nother topic. You've already added the topic. You want them to post inside of the topic. So they see the questions here, and then they're putting their post underneath. I hope that helps with creating a message board and using things inside of it. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much for watching.